Hey, having a novel time at Jeremy's book exchange on the big red chair once again. Rargar the Seagull, written by Jeremy Rohde, illustrated by Mark Phillips. Rargar is a seagull who lives at the beach. Rargar is a seagull who is red, white and peach. Rargar is a seagull who can swim with webbed feet. Rargar is a seagull who loves to squawk for a treat. Rargar is a seagull who can catch chips in the air. Rargar is a seagull who will never ever share. Rargar is a seagull who can stand on one leg. Rargar is a seagull who came from a spotty egg. Rargar is a seagull who can fly very far. Rargar is a seagull who likes to poo on our family car. One day we loaded up our caravan and started our holiday. We came to a beach. It had warm sand, curly waves, baby turtles and seagulls. A seagull, standing on one leg, hopped up close to us and squawked, "Rargar!" We drove to another beach for lunch. Up hopped a seagull and it squawked, "Rargar!" The next day we drove to another beach where Rargar hopped up and visited us again. This happened every day on our holiday. Every time we go to the beach, we always see Rargar. We love you, Rargar, and we'll see you next time we are at the beach. Have you ever seen Rargar? Thank you.